Hello students, hope you are doing well. Day 1, Shift 1 and Shift 2 of JEE Main 2021 Phase 3 has been conducted on July 20. The exam was conducted into two shifts. The morning shift was from 9 am to 12 pm and the afternoon shift was from 3 pm to 6 pm. As per the new exam pattern of JEE Main, the question paper had 90 questions and there were 10 NET questions each from physics, chemistry and mathematics. Out of 10 NET questions, the candidates were required to answer any 5 questions and there was no negative marking for the same. In this video, we have created a detailed exam analysis for JEE Main 28 July Day 1 exam, which will overview all the important aspects of Shift 1 and 2 exam. Firstly, let us look at some of the major highlights of JEE Main 28 July 2021 Shift 1 analysis. Many students felt that the difficulty level of the paper was moderate. The difficulty level of physics and chemistry was easier as compared to mathematics. Mathematics was a bit tough and lengthy and it was a bit time consuming. There were 2 questions from biomolecules. The organic and inorganic chemistry dominated the chemistry paper as usual. From physics, each topic had at least 1 question. There were also 2 questions from thermodynamics in physics. The chemistry section had more theoretical question as compared to practical based question. The physical chemistry questions were mostly integer types. The mathematics section included topics of calculus, coordinate geometry, algebra, etc. If we talk about a good attempt, we can say that 14 to 16 questions from each of these sections can be considered as a good attempt. Now let us look at the detailed exam analysis for JEE Main 28 July 2021 Shift 1 question paper, which is completely based on the expert and students' feedback for the exam. The overall difficulty level of the exam was moderate. The difficulty level of mathematics was moderately difficult. The difficulty level of physics was also moderate and the difficulty level of chemistry was moderately easy. Topics with highest weightage in mathematics were integrals and probability, and there were 1 question covered from each chapter on an average. The topic with highest weightage in physics were thermodynamics and current electricity, and there was 1 question again covered from each chapter on an average. The topics with highest weightage in chemistry was organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and S block and P block elements. The difficulty level of NET questions was average. Expected average number of good attempts can be 40 plus. Expected number of very good attempts can be 65 plus. And if we compare the difficulty level of July 20th Shift 1 versus March 16 Shift 1 and Feb 24 Shift 1 exam, we can say that difficulty level was almost similar for all the 3 exams. Now let us look at subject-wise analysis for JEE Main 28 July 2021 Shift 1 exam. For physics, there was 36% easy questions, 24% difficult questions and 40% moderate questions, that is average difficulty level questions. For chemistry, 56% was easy, 12% of the questions were hard and 32% of the questions were moderate. For mathematics, 36% questions were easy, 24% questions were difficult and 40% questions were average or moderate. Now, if you want to download the question paper and answer key in PDF format for JEE Main 28 July 2021 Shift 1 exam, you can check and click on the links that has been provided in the video description. Now that we are done with Shift 1 analysis, let us look at the major highlights for JEE Main 28 July 2021 Shift 2 exam. As per the reaction or the feedback received from the students, the overall difficulty level of the question paper was moderately difficult. The chemistry was easy and physics was a bit difficult. Mathematics turned out to be moderately difficult also. The candidates appearing for other shift must note that he or she should be thorough with basics as there were more questions from the basic concepts. There were no surprise questions and the question paper was 50 to 60% based on expected lines. Once again, organic chemistry dominated the chemistry section. If we talk about good attempts, we can say that at least 13 questions from each section can be considered as good attempts. Now, based on the students and experts' feedback, let us look at the detailed question paper analysis for Shift 2. Overall difficulty level of the exam was moderate. Difficulty level of mathematics was moderately difficult. Difficulty level of physics was again moderate. Difficulty level of chemistry was easy. Topics with highest weightage in mathematics was mathematical reasoning and differential calculus, and at least one question was given from each topic on an average. The topics with highest weightage in physics was thermodynamics and gravitation, and again there was one question at least from each topic. The topics with highest weightage in chemistry can be considered as organic chemistry. The difficulty level of NET questions was average. If you attempt at least 42 questions, it can be considered as average number of good attempts. If you attempt 63 plus questions, it can be considered as average number of very good attempts. Now, if we compare this exam with March 16 Shift 2 and Feb 24 Shift 2 exam, we can say that Shift 2 for July 20th JEE Main exam was tougher as compared to March and February. Now again, if you want to download the PDF for JEE Main 20th July 2021 Shift 2 memory based questions and answer key, you can check the links that has been provided in the video description. That's all for today. We hope that the analysis helped you in getting an idea of JEE Main Day 1 exam analysis. If you still have any queries, you can ask the same through the provided link. Also, if you are looking for direct admission in the engineering courses in any state, you can also fill the common application form on the provided link. Also, do not forget to check the video description for more related links to JEE Main exam. For more updates on JEE Main exams, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.